Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the storage drawer's front support on your oven. The reason why you would have to do this is because the support is broken, damaged, or missing. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So right here, we've got our storage drawer, and that just pulls straight out. And once you get it pulled out all the way, you're going to have to lift up at an angle and pull that out the rest of the way. So this piece right here is our front drawer support. In order to get it out, there's a clip right here that holds it in place. And what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to push it forward with my finger, and that releases it, and we can pull it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drawer support. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And in order to put it in, we're going to line up that forward tab with the hole, put that in, and then push the tab in until it snaps into place. Now we can put our drawer back in. So we're going to angle that all the way until it gets past those notches right there. And you can set it down in place and push it back in. A man just assaulted me with milk, cream, and butter. How dare he? Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.